Hank, I have your Raycon 76 finished up. It's a beauty. So you went with the Delrin frame. Everything else is the same that I use on all the other ones. The DYS 1102 10,000 kV motors, Super S F4 stack with the Omnibus F4 6 amp 4-in-1. And lately I've been using the Caddx Firefly camera VTX combo because it's pretty nice. Works pretty good. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and the receiver is a Full Speed RC Nano V2. So it does have telemetry and RSSI. I have that set up in the OSD, and it shows your RSSI in the radio as well. So I guess all that's left is show you the video working and then show you a little test flight. I'll fly it around my living room for a minute. Or actually, maybe I'll add some... No, I won't do DVR. I'll just fly it line of sight around the living room. Alright, so turn on my radio. Turn on my goggles. And plug this in. And it should be on, I think it's on channel F, yep, F7, okay. Ooh, that looks nice. That Caddx camera looks really good. Those colors are just so deep. I love it. So you can see there in the middle at the bottom is the RSSI. The left side is the battery voltage, right side is the timer for when you're flying only, which I love that timer. That's the only one I use. And let's move this into the living room. And here we go. Woo! See that pitch on it? Ah, that punch, I love it. Yeah. Alright, well there you go, Hank. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you enjoy this quad. I'll be shipping it out tomorrow, and I'll send you over some tracking in the morning. Alright, thanks man.